Marie Tillman, the widow of Pat Tillman, a former NFL player who sacrificed his life for America, is expressing her personal sentiment of deep sadness and disappointment over President Donald Trump's executive actions on immigration. In a Facebook post on behalf of her fallen husband, Tillman writes in part, quote, "He stood up to serve because he believed in the principles of which our country was founded, and recognizing it wasn't perfect, was passionate about what it could be. I am deeply saddened by the news of the executive order banning immigration. This is not the country he dreamed of, not what he served for, and not what he died for." Pat Tillman left the NFL in the prime of his career, leaving millions of dollars on the table to enlist in the Army in the wake of the terrorist attacks on 9/11. The deadly attacks on America were carried out by individuals from countries not included in President Trump's executive order. This action would temporarily bar citizens of 7 other Muslim-majority countries from entering the United States. The executive order has also affected green card holders and other legal immigrants. Tillman was killed by friendly fire in Afghanistan in 2004. In honor of her husband's memory and his ultimate sacrifice, Marie started the Pat Tillman Foundation, a group that provides scholarships to military veterans and their spouses. For Fox News, I'm Rob Demetrius.